Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to IRS Form 4562 Depreciation Reporting Updates, full guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Type Form 4562 into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the link that leads to the specific page for IRS Form 4562. Click on that link to access detailed information about the form. On the Form 4562 page, scroll down to find the Updates section. Click on the subscription link provided. You will be redirected to a new page for the subscription service. Fill in the required information, including your email address. Make sure to check for any specific preferences related to updates. Review your information for accuracy before submitting. After reviewing, submit the subscription form. You should receive a confirmation email shortly thereafter. Follow any additional instructions in the confirmation email to complete the process. Once confirmed, you will start receiving updates related to Form 4562 directly to your inbox. Check your spam or junk email folder if you do not see the confirmation email. Stay informed about important updates and changes regarding Form 4562 depreciation reporting. This will ensure you remain compliant and up to date with IRS requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.